Most people start their herb gardens for flavor, a little basil for pasta, maybe some mint for drinks. But the best tea gardens, they're not just about taste, they're built for real strength, medicine, minerals, and daily recharge. Now, if your tea garden's only got mint and chamomile, you're missing the real power players. There are 5 plants that quietly rebuild your body, feed your soil, and boost your resilience, and most gardens leave them out. Let's talk about why so many tea gardens are incomplete. Modern herb lists focus on taste. But traditional gardens, they were about deep nutrition, mineral density, repairing frazzled nerves, supporting your liver, firing up your immune system, and keeping your energy high for the long run. The result? Most gardens smell great, but they don't actually help you rebuild, so here are the 5 plants you need. First up, nettle. This one's a deep mineral accumulator, packed with iron, calcium, silica, magnesium. Nettle tea feeds your blood, your bones, and even your garden soil. It's all about strength, energy, and long-term nourishment. Next, lemon balm. This herb calms your nerves, gently lifts your mood, and even supports your thyroid. It's antiviral, too. Lemon balm tea is like a reset button for stress. Number 3, tulsi, or holy basil. It's a classic adaptogen, helps balance cortisol, strengthens your immunity, and brings clear-headed resilience. Tulsi tea keeps you steady and sharp. Don't forget dandelion. Use both the leaves and the root. This is a real liver cleanser, loaded with potassium and a gentle stimulant for digestion. Dandelion tea means detox, fluid balance, and metabolic support. Last, but not least, red raspberry leaf. This one's famous for reproductive health, but it's also rich in minerals and strengthens your tissues. Red raspberry leaf tea supports endurance and structural health from the inside out. Why do these plants work so well together? They pull deep minerals and make complex phytochemicals, nourishing your organs, calming your nerves, and rebuilding what's run down. The payoff? Stronger immunity, better sleep, hormonal balance, fewer deficiencies, and a tea that heals, not just hydrates. Growing them is simple. Full sun to partial shade. Use living soil, lots of leaf mulch, skip the chemicals. Harvest gently, dry them slow, and store away from light. Rotate your harvests to keep plants thriving. These aren't just seasonal decorations, they're your perennial allies. A real tea garden doesn't just taste good, it rebuilds your body and the earth at the same time. If these 5 aren't growing in your space, your herbal system is incomplete. Decoded.